Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix working video using Capcut PC. So here's video that I have and just say this working video and I'm going to fix it. How to just click the clip and you can click video basic and swipe up. You can find stabilize option, just click and um, select this label. I think this most stable for better quality. Okay, click play button for the result. Okay, that's how to fix working video using Capcut PC. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate. Bye.